we making magic?
There we are.
We're making magic?
Making magic happen.
All right. How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r back with another episode of
Shoe Care Academy!
Shoe Care Academy, that's right. And today, let me tell you, I'm excited to do this. We are doing the Toothbrush vs. Reshoevn8r Signature Kit Challenge. I'm telling you, we've had comments before like this guy right here last week. Sorry, man, but you're wrong. We're gonna prove it today. I haven't used a toothbrush to clean a shoe since I was like 11 years old, and there is a reason why. So, without further ado, we're gonna clean one shoe with the toothbrush, we're gonna clean the other shoe with our signature kit, and we are gonna show you the difference. And trust me, you're gonna see a difference. But maybe I'll be proven wrong. We'll find out. So, let's get started. First shoe I'm gonna do is Reshoevn8r Signature Kit. I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'll go ahead and move on to the toothbrush, okay? Let's get started. Okay, now that we got the laces out, I'm gonna go ahead and set these right here. We're gonna take our shoe tree, adjust it to size. These are mine, so I know what size they are. We're gonna go ahead and put these in here. Sometimes I just gotta bite the bullet and donate some shoes for a cause. That's where we're at right now. So we got the shoe tree in here, we got the laces here. Next thing we're gonna do, take our cleaning solution. Okay, we got some solution in there. We're gonna start with the soft bristle brush. This is a knit material, and it is a little more delicate than some materials. So we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna kind of loosen the dirt, then we'll move on to the subsequent brushes. So let's get it going. I'll tell you, one of the benefits of using these brushes is just volume. The brush is way bigger, as you can see here. I mean, if you're telling me that this brush is gonna do as good as this brush, then either you need glasses or maybe you're just really confused. So that's just one thing to point out right away. It's gonna take you a lot less time too. Imagine how many strokes you're gonna have to go with this thing. Additionally, I got the shoe tree in here, so I'm able to apply pressure to this shoe using this kit. I have a shoe tree in, it's forming the toe box. I'm able to put much more pressure using this brush, which is just giving a better cleaning process as well. So already you can see huge difference using this brush. Some of this is due to the soap being inside the material, but as you can see, huge difference already, and we haven't even put him in the wash machine. Also, to the guy that made the comment yesterday's video, or today's video actually, why is your mom cleaning your shoes for you anyway? I think you should be cleaning your own shoes if you have your own YouTube channel and you're making comments on it. That's just my personal opinion, but I guess if you really want your mom to clean your shoes and she's gonna do it for you, I guess go for it. So we just finished with the soft bristle brush. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush now, clean the midsoles, the undersoles, and then I'll just do some touch-ups. We'll put this in the washing machine, and while those are in the washing machine, I'll go ahead and move on to this. I'm guessing I'll be here till tomorrow, probably, by the looks of it. So by that time, the shoe should be out of the wash and completely dry, but we'll find out in a minute. And again, just the pure coverage of this brush here, that's enough for me to not use a toothbrush. You have so many more bristles here, not to mention we have 3 different types of bristles, 3 different stiffnesses, where you're limited to just one with a toothbrush. So just another point why this is so much more effective. All right, we just replaced this water. The first bowl of water was really filthy, plus I forgot to put the shoelaces in there, so let's just go ahead and do that now. Actually, it's a good thing that we didn't put the shoelaces in, because now they can be in clean water. And I'm just gonna continue on. Overall, they look pretty good, still a little dingy. I'm gonna move on to the stiff bristle brush, hit this midsole, undersole, and then I'm gonna come back with the soft or medium and kind of touch up the uppers. And then again, we'll throw them in the washing machine and we'll move on to this one. All right, we just finished the sole of the shoe using the stiff bristle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush, and I'm gonna go one direction on this material. In some of the stubborn stains that I see some spots that have some, heavy dirt marks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then we're gonna throw them in the washing machine and move on to the other shoe. All right, now that we've cleaned the shoe, last steps before we put these in the washing machine, I'm gonna take out these laces and scrub them between my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these laces in the pouch. I'm gonna put my laundry pod right in here to help clean those. Throw this in here. We're gonna go throw these in the washing machine. We'll come back and clean the other shoe. Now that we put that shoe in the washing machine, we're gonna go ahead and move on to this shoe here. I'm gonna go ahead and take our brushes, set them over here. We have our fresh bowl of water and toothbrush. I'll be honest, I'm not very excited because this is gonna be some work. So I'm using some dish detergent. I don't know about you, but I don't have time to have 4 hours to clean a pair of shoes when I could do it in, a tenth of the time with the proper tools. But you guys have been asking for it. I want to show the difference, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Hopefully I get to go home tonight. I don't have a shoe tree in here. I will pull the laces out just so it's fair. So we'll go ahead and set that right there. Let's make this up. Let's get started. It's just a lot more work. Maybe I'm old and I have arthritis, but just holding on to this little toothbrush just is more challenging than having that brush in your hand. Not to mention just the surface volume. I mean, we're getting somewhere. It's cleaning up some. So again, I think that with the right shoe, it could probably be done and be somewhat successful. It's just how much time do you want to spend and how effective do you want it to be. One thing I noticed, I don't have a Rejuvenator towel that comes with the signature kit. Could I get a towel from somewhere? Thanks, Mom. I went over the uppers. They look decent. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on the midsoles and soles and see how effective it is. I got my towel here, so let me go ahead and transition this way and we'll see what happens. Now that I cleaned the midsoles and undersoles, just to be fair, I did the same thing with the signature kit. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the water just because that water is pretty dirty. And I'm gonna go over the uppers again. I still see some spots that are dingy and need some more attention, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this toothbrush and let's go ahead and get these. All right, so we're gonna clean these laces up, throw this on the dryer, and then we're gonna compare them once the other shoe is dry. This one took about twice the time as the signature kit and other brushes that we used. If you're wanting to save time, definitely don't use a toothbrush. The effectiveness, I can guarantee, I would put money on it. It's like using a Q-tip to mop your floor. Just doesn't really quite make sense. All right, that's that. We're gonna go put this on the dryer. We'll be back. All right, we're back with the results of this cleaning video. Let them dry over the weekend. As you can see, our signature laundry system came out much better. It is the winner! This one, not the worst in the world, but this toothbrush and this just did not do the trick. It actually looks a little better than I thought it would, but nothing compared to this. This thing looks basically brand new. Even the inside got much cleaner. The laces, when I put the laces in the laundry bag and the pod on top of it, those came out much brighter. These are dingy, these are really clean. If you're interested in picking up a signature kit because you have some shoes that you just want to get clean and have the most effective shoe care product on the planet, use my code in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe now. We drop new videos every Monday and Thursday and more to come in 2022. Mr. Reshoevn8er, finish this cleaning video, signing out. Peace.